All right. Good morning, traders. Today is October 6th, 2023. My SPY pivot this morning is 424.10. All four indices in the FNGU remain in daily downtrends. U.S. dollar index that's meant to say consolidating at the 106 level. UNG is challenging 750, which is the top side of the channel it spent the last 6 months trapped in. USO, that's crude oil, has pulled back to minor support. Gold and silver are now in daily downtrends after breaking out of consolidation. SPY bulls need to reach 426.10 level and hold. All right. If the bulls manage to get there early, then the next mission is to start poking holes in the daily chart neckline at 428. All right. Let's go look at some charts. Get rid of that. Blow that up. All right. So here's our SPY chart. And you can see yesterday's price action, big tail candle. Not a big tail candle, but nice size tail candle. But you can see right here, we're still underneath our trend indicator. Where's our head and shoulders? Head and shoulders neckline right here, right about 428.25. And the SPY daily pivot is 424.10. So they need to get up around 426.10, right about through here. Actually, probably right at that white line right there. And hold it up there. And if they can do that early in the day, then they need to start looking at poking holes in the head and shoulders neckline. So in the daily chart, we've got lower highs and lower lows. So we are still in a daily downtrend. We've got price action, the 3 EMA and the 8 EMA all underneath our 17 EMA trend indicator. So you can see right now, still in a downtrend. Let's take a look at QQQ. Now QQQ's got something setting up over here. All right. Just going to move this out. Okay, see a low here, and a low here. Starting to form a pattern. Almost a new uptrend. Looking like it's starting to form right there. We'll see what happens. But QQQ yesterday, another tail candle, same thing. Price action, 3 EMA, 8 EMA, all underneath the 17 EMA trend indicator. We got lower highs and lower lows. All right. Price action for yesterday on the QQQ was an equal low and equal high. So kind of like we got two inside days here from right over here 2 days ago. So today's Friday. So from Tuesday, we got two inside days. Thursday and Wednesday were both inside days for QQQ. So there we are, QQQ in a daily downtrend, lower high, lower lows. FNGU. All right, FNGU has broken through the neckline that was right there. And you can see that we broke through the neckline, came back, H pattern roll over, and we made a lower low. So we got lower highs and lower lows. On the daily price action, we've got kind of a possible trend. Same thing that's materializing in the QQQ is the start of a possible new uptrend. We'll see. We're still underneath the trend indicator at this time. And for price action yesterday was a tail candle. Again, another inside day to Tuesday's price action. And you can see right here, we're still underneath the trend indicator. Price action, the 3 and the 8, still underneath our trend indicator. So FNGU needs to break the ceiling here at 156.50. So we'll see if they can get that done. That's FNGU. If we take a look at our indicators, T2122 spent the whole day in the oversold zone. T2123 red most of the day, except for probably looks like two 30-minute segments here. We got some green on the T2123. T2123 3-bar. Still a whole lot of space between price action and the trend indicator. Still very much in a downtrend. Our FNGU indicator was red from the beginning of the day and then closed out the day starting right about noon, and we closed out the last 4 hours in the green. So that's a good sign right there. And we'll head back to some charts. Take a look at Diamond Dow. Here's Diamond Dow. Broke the head and shoulders neckline. There's the head, right shoulder, left shoulder. Here's the breakdown. And we got lower lows, lower highs, and lower lows. Yesterday's price action, a bottoming tail to go with the previous day's bottoming tail. That's a good sign. Still, we've got price action, the 3 EMA and the 8 EMA, still well underneath our trend indicator, not even close to challenging it. So Diamond Dow still pretty much very technically damaged and very much in a downtrend at this time. Take a look at IWM. That's our Russell 2000. Here's the head and shoulders neckline. Here's the left shoulder, the right shoulder, and this massive hump right there is the head. Broke through the neckline, and you can see price action putting in lower highs and lower lows. Price action for yesterday was down here. Looks like we got a green candle, but still a whole lot of space between price action, the 3 EMA, the 8 EMA, and our trend indicators. So money has been coming out of the market since looks like the beginning of August for IWM. Let's take a look at SMH. SMH, lower highs, lower lows, still in a downtrend, although I am seeing the same thing here that I saw in FNGU and QQQ. We have the possible trend change happening right there. Or is it just another pullback? We'll see what happens. But you can see right now we've got lower highs and lower lows. So we'll see if they can reverse that. SMH in a daily downtrend. Challenging the trend indicator today. Right there. That's a good sign. IYT. That's what I want. Transports. Alright, so here's our transports. And we've got a lower high and lower lows, still in a daily downtrend. Yesterday's price action not looking good at all. Just a bottoming tail, but still a whole lot of space. We got the price action, the 3 and the 8, well underneath our trend indicator. Let's take a look at XLF. Here's our financials. Financials putting in a lower high and a lower low. Nice green candle yesterday. Higher high and a higher low. It's a very good sign. Still a lot of space between price action and the trend indicator. Notice all three still underneath our trend indicator. Price action, the 3 and the 8 EMAs. So we'll see if they can turn this XLF around. They sure fell pretty hard after breaking this uptrend right there. Now let's take a look at the US dollar. And where did it go? Here it is. Blow this up. So here's the US dollar consolidating at the 106 level. You see we went up, put in a topping tail up here. All right, so then we had two red days in a row. Now it looks like we're going to get a third one. So US dollar pulling back, and you can see the market has been kind of popping recently. That's a good sign. Max pain for today, 426. We got 1.5 puts for every call at this time. 426 should be easily attained today. We'll see what happens. I would expect price action to move up to the 426 level Probably put a nice spike the neckline at 428 and then pull back and close probably right around the 426 level. We'll see what happens. All right, we got to get up to the 426 level first. But that's kind of pretty much what I'm expecting to happen today. Again, we'll see. Doesn't mean that that's what we're going to get. NASDAQ earnings for this is for Monday. Applied Digital, I don't even think that's $1 billion right there. Just 540 million. And for, I know I had the day before. I'll get it. So earnings calendar for day, you can see for today, nothing on there. Just Bridgeford Foods, which is about 100 million. So no big earth-moving earnings coming out today. So that's it, traders, for the morning market conditions and analysis. I hope to see you all at 4 o'clock this evening. We'll do another market wrap-up for the weekend, and then I'll see everybody at 8 o'clock on Monday. It is a bank holiday, but I believe the markets are still going to be open, so we'll see what happens. But that's it for the morning market conditions and analysis.